No fault, at fault, not at fault. What does it all mean? Let's try to make some sense of it all. Most of us have heard the terms at fault and not at fault. In every automobile crash in Canada, one or more drivers is found to be at fault. In other words, responsible for the crash. The amount of fault you are assessed is determined by various charts and rules, either ones developed by the insurance industry or, in some provinces, by governments. This will affect the amount of deductible you will be responsible to pay at the time of claim, and will also likely affect the amount of premium you must pay for your automobile insurance policy in the future. Now let's look at the term no fault. The name no fault was meant to distinguish this kind of coverage from fault-based or tort coverage that is based on the right to sue the at-fault party. No-fault coverage pays for some or all of the insured person's loss, no matter who caused that loss. Most importantly, it means that if you are injured or your car is damaged in an accident, whether you were found to be at fault or not, you deal with your own insurance company. You can access any medical benefits offered under your policy right away. You don't have to wait for determination of who was at fault before receiving those benefits. In Canada, some provinces have implemented insurance regimes that are completely based on no-fault coverage. In other words, you do not have the right to sue for losses beyond the payments made to you under the insurance plan. Other provinces have varying mixtures of tort and no-fault coverages. In fact, most provinces have accident benefits such as medical payments, funeral expenses, and disability income benefits, and all of these are no-fault coverages. Now, one more thing. Many people think that no fault means nobody is held responsible for the crash. This isn't true. As I mentioned earlier, being found at fault will affect the amount of deductible you will be responsible to pay at the time of the claim, and will also likely affect the amount of premium you must pay for your automobile insurance policy in the future. For Insurance Bureau of Canada, I'm Lindsay Olson.